Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to view notification history on iPhone. Let's go. Notification Center shows your notifications history, allowing you to scroll back and see what you've missed. Notifications help you keep track of what's new. They let you know if you missed a call, if the date of an event moved, and more. First of all, swipe down from the top left corner of the screen to access the Notification Center. Now you will be able to see the Notification Center, and under that, it will show you a list of all the notifications. If you want to clear a specific notification, just swipe it all the way to the left. If you want to clear all of the notifications from the Notification Center, just tap on this X button over here and then tap Clear. A notification is a message that Android displays outside your app's UI to provide the user with reminders, communication from other people, or other timely information from your app. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.